sir.
Yeah. Every.
Sir, now it is clear, sir.
Now it's clear, sir.
Okay, but
Yes, sir.
many have left. Do you have a WhatsApp group? Just tell them to join again.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I just messaged them to join again. Okay, sure. Okay,
Yes, sir. We
Vivek.
mentioned, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so actually about that medium, we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay, because I'll send you the video. Just check it out.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
send you the video. I'll send you the link. Check it out, and then I'll tell you what to do. Mainly, we'll discuss about that tomorrow. So basically, for now, what we have to answer the question that we need to answer is that what actually vibrates in a human body that we are able to produce sound. So basically, yeah, throat. Okay, yeah, throat is correct. But actually, throat has, as I said before, throat has many different distinction inside. Like inside, when you consider throat, we have foot pipe, then windpipe, then there is something called voice box and larynx. We need to discuss about that because voice box or larynx, right? It is what vibrates in a human body to produce sound. I'll show you diagram. You will understand it better. Okay. I hope everyone can see the screen now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see human larynx?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. These
Yes, sir.
are the vocal cords. Okay. In voice box or larynx, what is there is in voice box or larynx itself is distinguished into distinguished into several several types. Okay, first these are the voice boxes. So voice boxes will be like this, and near them will be something called muscles. Okay, here you can see actually here muscles will be there. So do you remember the experiment that we did yesterday? Different tumblers have different heights of water, and what did it do? It produced different
Sound.
Type of sound.
different types of sound. So why did it produce different types of sound is basically the reason, the air column above it was different, somewhere high, somewhere low, because of that. Similarly, what happens is the reason that we produce different sounds, because we do not produce one type of sound, we produce varieties of sound, almost 200 to 300 distinct sounds. So that means that here muscle will be there near vocal cords. So first, the basics is from our lungs, the air flushes out through our windpipe. Okay, windpipe will be like this. From here, you can see in the image. So from lungs, okay, basically from lungs it will come. The air, from lungs, the air will come. At that point, we will actually, the muscles near vocal cords can vary themselves according to what sound we want to make. So the vocal cords will arrange themselves in such a way like this. It will create a small opening so that the vocal cords will vibrate as the sound passes by. And that is how we actually produce sound. Okay. Are we clear in that?
Sir, can you explain this procedure once again, sir?
Yeah, sure. Okay, sure. So basically, what happens is when we when we extend till here, windpipe. Yeah, actually foot pipe is there, windpipe is there. Both are different. They at first till here they are the same, but later they separate into two. One goes into lungs, another goes into stomach, and that you will learn in your higher classes, I guess, most probably. So from here, we will have lungs. Okay, lungs. So from lungs, what happens is we store air there, basically. So what happens? Air will rush through the lungs as we speak. In here, it will encounter something called human larynx or voice box. Larynx or voice box. Voice box. Okay, voice box. So what happens in here is there are two vocal cords in it. You don't need to remember these names. These names are you don't need to remember these names. Basically, you need to remember vocal cords. So these two, can you see this yellow screen? Can you see this yellow screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
they are the vocal cords, and near them there will be muscles. Okay, muscles, just like we have all around the body, there will be muscles. So it- basically, the properties of muscles in vocal cords is that they will arrange the vocal cords in such a way that we can produce different sounds. For example, when we say A, when we say B, each time the muscles arrange themselves in such a way that these vocal cords can be closed completely or open partially or completely or in different ways. There are different arrangements of vocal cords, and hence we produce different sounds. So what you need to remember is that from lungs, air comes, it vibrates the vocal cords. Okay, it vibrates the vocal cords and we produce sound. Are we clear? Does anyone have doubt?
Yes, sir.
Are we clear, or does anyone have doubt?
Yes, sir.
No
Okay.
doubt, sir. Clear.
Okay, sure.
Clear, sir.
Now, what I wanted to do is, I hope everyone has got their classwork or classwork. Um, Everyone has classwork. Now I'll show you. I'll give you some 2 or 3 questions. I'll give you 5 minutes. Write them down and let me know when you have completed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can you see? Okay. You don't need to do the homework. Just the classwork. Let me
Yes,
highlight
sir.
it. Can you see? Answer the following. Please mute yourself. Can can you see the questions? Can you see the questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can I able to see the question?
Yeah. If you have completed, please raise your hand. Let me know.